guys, welcome to Dodo. Today we are going to make the rasam recipe. Everyone knows to make rasam, but this is a super easy way of making it. Even teens can try this at their home. So this is so quick to make. These are the simple ingredients we are using today. Firstly, to the mixer jar I am adding 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon pepper seeds, 10 garlic cloves and some coriander leaves. So blend this into a rough powder. Just ready now. Keep this aside. Heat the kadai and add some oil, and to this add mustard, 3 small dried red chilies and some curry leaves. So once it is sauteed, add some salt and the grounded rasam powder. Mix this well and saute for about 2 minutes. At this stage, add chopped tomatoes too. And for the spices, add a pinch of turmeric powder and the required salt for this recipe. Mix this well and add 1 chopped green chili. Now add 1 cup of thick tamarind solution and 2 cups of water. So mix this well. And close this using a lid and let it boil for 8 to 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, look at its consistency. The masala has blended well with the tamarind solution and also the oil got separated. At this perfect stage, add some coriander leaves and turn off the flame. And that's it guys, our instant rasam recipe is ready. This can be made so quickly, especially for the lunch, and it is healthy too. And guys, you can serve this rasam rice with nice omelette, and that will make a healthy pair for your lunch. So try this rasam recipe and leave your feedbacks down below. Also do like, share and subscribe to Dodo. Thanks for watching guys. Take care everyone. Bye bye.